Hello there, folks. This is week 6 of Research 1 and Research 2. What we decided last week, Monday, was to go ahead and give everyone an extension for 1 week to complete the assignments that they hadn't completed or to resubmit assignments that were low grades. So as of tomorrow, September 21st, there will be no more grades in Schoology. The grade that you got on your assignments is the grade that you'll receive for the semester in Research 1 or Research 2. There are no more extensions. Okay, so what everybody should be doing this week and for weeks to come is working on the credit recovery classes that you have. Everyone should be in their class. If you're not in the class, that means you hadn't returned your paperwork. This is week 6, so not really sure why you hadn't returned your signed paperwork to me yet, but it is what it is. Everybody's due date is October 9th. October 9th is the end of the quarter. Whatever first class that you've taken, that class should be done by then. So it doesn't start, even if you haven't started, then you're behind because you should have returned that paperwork already. So if you haven't returned it, you need to go ahead and do that ASAP. Or you can take a picture of it with it signed and upload it to me, scan it, and send it to my email. But the paperwork should be in, period. So everyone should be working on their class from now on. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and go into your single sign-on screen, and you'll see the tile that says Edgenuity Student. It'll say Student for you. This one says Teacher. You click on there, and then you just go ahead and start your class. So all I gotta say now is everybody has to do their class. So everybody should be working on their class. And remember, the 10 tasks that we did in Schoology, they are over. So whatever grade you received in those classes, that'll be the grade that you receive on your report card. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't returned your paperwork, you need to do that ASAP. So all the credit recovery classes are starting. You know, what we did was we put people in the class as soon as you return the paperwork, but you have to return the paperwork first in order to start the class. So let me know what I can do. If you got any questions, give me an email, give me a call, let me know. So everybody have a good week. See you.